Is your home starting to feel like a treasure trove of forgotten items, with every corner hiding something you don't even remember owning? If you're ready to reclaim your space and shed unnecessary clutter with lightning speed, stick around. These 10 practical and engaging tips will guide you to a more serene and organized home. Let's transform your space on 10 quick tips to declutter your home and get rid of unnecessary stuff. Fast, one step at a time. But wait, there's more. Stick around till the end of this video because I've got a bonus tip that you definitely won't want to miss. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Welcome to SmartLife Solutions, the channel that's all about making your life easier, more organized, and stress-free. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications so you won't miss any of our life-changing tips and tricks. We're more than just a channel. We're a community of people who are passionate about creating a better, more balanced lifestyle. So, stick around, and let's embark on this journey to declutter your life together. We're starting with the BLITZKRIEG approach. Imagine your living room is a battlefield and clutter is the enemy. Set a timer for 30 minutes, no more, no less. Now, go all out. Focus on high-traffic areas like countertops, tables, and floors. Picture it like a game show where each item you remove brings you closer to victory. Your mission? To make visible progress fast. Remember, you're racing against the clock, so move with purpose. Next, we have the 3-box method. Think of it as a quick decision-making exercise. Grab 3 boxes and label them keep, donate, and trash. As you pick up each item, ask yourself, do I use this regularly or does it just take up space? If you hesitate, it's probably time to let it go. A great trick, keep the donate box by the door. This way, it's ready to be taken out and there's no room for second guessing. Imagine yourself lightening your load with every item you place in that box. Here's a little mental trick, the 20/20th rule. When you're stuck deciding whether to keep or toss something, ask yourself, could I replace this for less than $20 or find it within 20 minutes? If the answer is yes, let it go without regret. Visualize this as giving yourself the freedom to focus on what truly matters, knowing that what you're discarding is easily replaceable if you ever need it. Now it's time for a closet raid. This isn't just about tidying up, it's about reimagining your wardrobe. Start by emptying your closet completely. Yes, take everything out. Now survey your options. If you haven't worn something in the past year, it's time to part ways. Imagine creating a curated collection of clothes that you love and wear often. Organize what remains by category or color, and watch how much easier it becomes to get dressed every morning. Think of it as designing your own personal boutique. Speedy sorting is up next. Set up a station with boxes or bins labeled by category. Kitchen gadgets, books, holiday decorations, you name it. This isn't just about sorting, it's about visually confronting just how much stuff you've accumulated. It can be a powerful motivator to let go of what you don't need. To keep the energy up, put on your favorite playlist. Picture yourself dancing through the clutter, making decisions with clarity and confidence. Let's not forget digital clutter. Your inbox, desktop, and even your phone deserve some attention. Start by unsubscribing from emails you never open. Think of it as cutting out the noise in your life. Next, delete outdated files and organize your digital photos into albums. Imagine the satisfaction of a clean desktop and the clarity it brings to your mind. A tidy digital space is just as important as a tidy home. After all, we spend so much time in our virtual worlds. Hey there, dedicated declutterers. If you're finding value in this video, why not show some love? Give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep the clutter-free vibes going. We've got a bonus for you too, a free Simplify Your Home ebook just waiting in the video description. It's your step-by-step guide to a clutter-free life. So let's declutter together and create the organized home we've always dreamed of. Now let's get back to our decluttering journey. Why not make decluttering a family affair? Turn it into a friendly competition. Assign each family member a room or task and see who can declutter the most in a set time. Picture the fun of a family feud, but instead of winning points, you're winning back your space. Offer a small reward for the most productive declutterer, like choosing the next family movie or dinner spot. When everyone pitches in, the process is faster, more fun, and it creates a sense of shared responsibility in keeping the home organized. Use the change of seasons as a natural prompt to declutter. As you transition from winter to summer or vice versa, take a moment to assess your seasonal items. Haven't used that holiday decoration in years? it might be time to donate it. This keeps your belongings relevant and your storage spaces manageable. Visualize your home as a place that effortlessly adapts to each season, with only the essentials on hand. The one-in, one-out rule is a powerful tool for maintaining balance. For every new item you bring into your home, make sure to discard or donate an existing one. Picture it as a trade. You're exchanging something old for something new, keeping your space in harmony. This simple rule prevents clutter from creeping back in and ensures that your home stays organized long after the initial decluttering. As you wrap up your decluttering efforts, don't forget the final sweep. Walk through each room one last time, looking for any stray items that may have escaped your initial sort. This is the finishing touch, ensuring everything is in its proper place. Imagine this as the moment where you step back, take a deep breath, and admire the results of your hard work. Your home is now a sanctuary of order and calm. Finally, here's a bonus tip to keep your home clutter-free: the daily 10-minute tidy. Set a timer each day and quickly pick up any items that have wandered from their designated spots. This daily habit acts as a safeguard, preventing clutter from piling up again. Think of it as a small daily investment that pays off big in maintaining the peace and order you've worked so hard to achieve. As we draw this video to a close, let's take a moment to recap on the various decluttering methods we've discussed today. From the Blitzkrieg approach, where we tackled clutter with full force, to the 3-box method that helped us categorize our items effectively. We've learned the 20/20th rule to help with decision-making, and the closet raid for a focused declutter. We've also discovered the speedy sorting technique for those short on time, and the digital declutter to sort out our online spaces. We've navigated through the family feud, which emphasizes teamwork in decluttering, and the seasonal sort, a periodic decluttering method. The one-in, one-out rule keeps our possessions in check, and the final sweep ensures no item is left unsorted. Our bonus tip, the daily 10-minute tidy, is a simple habit that can prevent clutter from creeping back into our lives. Remember, maintaining a clutter-free home is not just about physical cleanliness, but it's also crucial for our mental well-being. It allows us to live more comfortably, think more clearly, and enjoy our spaces to their fullest. So, let's make decluttering a part of our daily routine and embrace the peace and tranquility it brings. And there you have it. 10 tips to help you declutter your home faster and more effectively. If these tips motivated you to take action, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more home organizing hacks. Remember, a clutter-free home isn't just about having less, it's about making room for what truly matters. As your trusted guide to a clutter-free life, we don't want you to miss out on any of our upcoming organizing hacks. So, hit that subscribe button and become part of our SmartLife Solutions community. Also, we have a special treat for you, a free Simplify Your Home ebook. This guide is your roadmap to a clutter-free life, and it's waiting for you in the video description. Let's turn chaos into calm, one room at a time. Don't forget, every step towards decluttering is a step towards a happier, more peaceful life.